In this video, we're going to see the quoting features, including making a quote, sending it, go through the 3 ways we can accept a quote, manually, via email link or customer portal. Okay, first, to the setup page. If you head to Quote Options, first we will set up the email options. Here we can set up to send accept, decline and feedback links in your custom email messages sent to your clients. It can be configured, for example, we can set to require PO/order number, to allow decline, ask decline reason and allow feedback. We can also set a response window before the link expires. Further down, you can set who receive notification emails internally when quotes are accepted. And you can also set the where in the email body the accept buttons go. If quote_actions, placeholder is in the body, the accept/decline buttons replace it at that exact position. If it's not in the body, buttons are automatically added above your email text. If you click the Insert Accept buttons to place them where you want, then drag to reposition, then press Save. Whilst we're in the quote setup page, we can now also enable the customer portal, accept option, and also tracking and analytics options. If you enable portal acceptance and press save, your customers who have portal access will be able to accept quotes via their portal access too. We now also have special features embedded within FSM that can track when emails are opened. If you turn the toggle switch on and hit save, it's now enabled. We will go through the tracking features shortly. Okay, let's create a quote and see how this works. Head to quotes and create new. Okay, if we create a quote, I'll select customer, site, and fill in title, our ref, customer ref, etc. Here we can also set a valid to date. Going further down, we can add the line items. Here we will add a test material and an optional miscellaneous item to show the quote options feature. If you want a line item to be optional, then tick the optional tick box. This is then an option when your customer accepted the quote by email link on the customer portal. And if quotes are accepted manually, your admin can select these as required. Okay, now we're happy with the quote, you can email it. Press email, the email window opens, and the customer email details are pre-populated as well as your email body. You can select which template and then hit send. Okay, now let's see what the customer has received. You can see they have received the email with accept quote, decline and feedback option buttons, as well as the email body message set by you and the PDF attachment. Let's press accept. Now your client will be presented with more options and detail. They can see the quote basics, and as some items are optional, they can untick those if preferred. For this example, we will untick and then press accept. To accept, they will need to enter their name and purchase order number or reference. Then press Confirm Acceptance. They will get a confirmation message as well as separate email. Okay, back on FSM, if you refresh the quotes page, you will see it's turned green. This indicates it's been accepted. Open the quote. You can see it now has a job connected to it. Job 3007 has been created. Also, at the top of the quote, we can see other analytics. We can see that the quote email was opened and also shows the email acceptance activity. If we open the newly created job, you can see that it's automatically been created with all the relevant fields. The optional extra isn't showing, and by customer reference, we can see how the quote was accepted with the relevant details for audit purposes. So that's it. We've configured the email settings, set up tracking and email acceptance and tested. In the next video, we will go more in depth on the quote analytics features. Thanks for watching.